In recent years, we have seen horrifying fires and floods in Australia that has caused business and personal trauma and financial loss. So I'm going to touch on 7 areas to provoke thought to make sure your important assets are protected. The obvious one to most people is to have adequate insurance for the family home, investment property or personal assets. But make sure you review the insured values annually. Many people do not fully appreciate the fact that our greatest asset is our ability to earn an income. If we are sick or in an accident, our income's going to dry up pretty quickly. Income protection insurance pays up to 75% of your income and generally paid to 65 years of age. The premiums are very affordable and tax deductible, which means you get a third back in your tax. This insurance is a small price to pay to ensure an income stream if all of a sudden you cannot work. Public liability and professional indemnity cover for our properties and business is a must, given the level of litigation in our society today. When buying a business or property, is a company, partnership, trust or even super fund the appropriate entity to hold your asset in? Having the right structure can be the difference between keeping and losing an asset in the case of being sued. There's quite a few things to consider before we can advise a client what is the most appropriate structure for you. Where you have business and properties, the banks may have loans cross-collateralised and sometimes the banks don't need all this security. Speak to us about reviewing the structure of your loans to potentially minimise the amount of security registered by the bank. Do you have a current will in place? This is vital for personal, business and family protection. Dying without a will nearly always creates problems and family arguments. So let's avoid this and get this critical document in place. Capital gains tax can really hurt if you don't plan for it. If you're going to buy or sell a business or property, please speak to us before you do this. This way we can plan to minimise this tax. In summary, protect what you have and activate all of these asset protection strategies.